There are a few other things that you could do within the Smart Notebook software with this. This one is one that's already created, and you can get information about the progress, the next steps, and such as the students are taking it and as the students finish. Now, when you are creating this though, you can go to this response tab up here. You can insert questions, title pages, deal with the answers. You could start the class. Now notice that it would start in the anonymous mode, so I would have to change it down here to start period 1, stopping it. You can also import questions. Now this is kind of nice because you can import it from Microsoft Word. If you have a lot of questions, like I imported a 50 question assessment, and all the questions came in, all the answers were there, I just needed to go through and set what the correct answers were. Now the only problem was that the pictures that I included were not on the right slide, so I just had to move them around a little bit. But it still takes a lot less time to do it this way than it does to manually type in each and every question. Now, one quick note though about that. I said I was importing 50 questions. It will let you import as many questions as you want, but it will only allow you to do 40 questions in an assessment. There's no reason for this that I've been able to discern. That's their limit. You can only ask 40 questions. So this is 25 questions, or 25 questions total, and so this one would work just fine. With that 50 question assessment that I gave, the student, I had to have 2 title pages, which then gave me in here 2 separate assessments, which with the student scores would give me 2 separate columns of assessment scores, and then I had to average those 2 together to get their actual results for the whole thing. Much less convenient, does not make a lot of sense as for why they do it, but that's the limitation of the program.